Okay, welcome again. Today you can see something on the door. So I'm going to draw a wall here, then we'll see how to insert a door tool. So you draw a wall of any length, like for instance I'll draw a wall of say 5,000 millimeters. That's around 5 meters, and then I'll zoom it out, and then I'll have to add the door. But first I'll have to go to the settings of the door, and then we'll choose on the door should be appropriate for a structure here. So here we have door 21. Here we have empty doors, openings. We have carriage doors. Also have hinge doors, rotating doors, sliding doors, sliding folding doors, and storefronts. So we'll start with the empty door openings. So we have this. We can insert one, and then we'll see how it looks. Click OK, and then maybe I'll add. So you decide on the direction you need your door to face. So like for this one, maybe I'll choose to face this side, and then you click outside where you want to face, and then to a 3D you want to see how it looks. So these are our empty door opening. So it's around 10 millimeters from the sail to zero ground floor. So back to our ground floor, I'll have to add another type on the door there. Maybe I'll choose today. Maybe we can move the carriage doors. We also have variety here. You can choose carriage double door 21. Click OK. Then we'll have to insert, and we'll see how it looks also. So you decide on the direction you want your door to face. So like for this, maybe I'll choose this side. Click on the direction you want the door to face. So I click outside, then to a 3D again. You'll have to see how it looks. So here is a door. Back the ground floor can also change. Okay, so can also look at the hinge doors. Here we have variety here, so you'll have to choose the door of your choice. We also have rotating and revolving doors, and then sliding doors, sliding folding doors. So if we choose the hinge doors, which we normally use in most of our drawings, maybe I'll have to choose one here. Door with 2 side lights and transform 21. Click OK. Then back the wall. Maybe I'll have to draw another wall here. This way, something like another 5 meters. That's 5,000 millimeters. Then I'll insert a door. Back to the door tool. I'll have to insert a door here. So you choose on the direction you want the door to face, either side you need. So click outside, then to a 3D and see also how it looks. So I'll have to op it to see it well how it looks. Okay, so this is our door. So we can also adjust the settings of our door. You'll have to double click on the door tool, or you press Ctrl T to go to the settings, and then here we have preview and positioning. So you can also, we have adjustable parameters here. We have, so you adjust where you want. So like here we have sail to 0. We have it's 100. So what if you reduce it to 0? Then we'll see on our 3D how it looks also. So maybe I'll have to draw another door here after adjusting the settings. So I'll draw another wall first, maybe here around 5000 millimeters. Then I'll have to zoom, and then I insert the door. Then I'll see now how it looks. So you choose on the direction you want your door to face. So if I decide maybe to face this side, and then I'll have to see how it looks on our 3D. So you open it and see how it looks also. So if it's 0 from the seal, so you can see the difference now. The door is starting from the ground, and then for this, it's starting from 10 millimeters from the ground. So you decide, so you adjust the settings. What if we choose, we use the arrow tool to select the door. Maybe we'll have to adjust some settings, Control T, and then we still have some more adjustable settings here, indoor settings. So like this door leaf, you can adjust how it looks. Maybe if I choose this one, style 4, and then for the handle you can pick knob 3, so you choose what you want, and we can click OK to see how it looks in our 3D. So we can open it to see how it looks. Okay, so it's now okay. So you can design your door tutorial. For more, make sure you click the subscribe button. Good day.